Let's go dodge. Like a dodge challenge. That'd be pretty cool.
So it's still a challenger?
Shut up. Let's race the same dude.
Alright.
And you also forgot to hit the launch.
Oh, I knew that.
That's why you just like start off slow. You have to hit the launch. I was gonna say launch.
I missed that there.
You also want to try to start off in the green and get a better start.
Woo! Again.
Watch us get like. I'd say 84,000. 87,000. I knew that. I just unlocked all. We just won the 15 races.
Good. I guess.
Oh, since we won that, now you get to pick out the challenger now.
Alright. Do you want to pick it out?
No, I already picked out like 34 cars.
Okay. I'll pick it out. My car. Stop biting my charger!
Sorry, I do that with my charger too. I'll do it like somewhere over there.
I need to like put tape all over it.
I'm just gonna bite the tape off probably.
No. Oh, he's like metal charger. I don't know.
Metal tastes like blood if you eat it. Okay. Have you ever tried that?
No. I'm not weird.
Don't try that at home. That car's gay. That car's gay.
What's a CTR? I mean CRT. 88.
We already have that car.
We do? Oh yeah.
We just have it in a different color.
I like that.
I
got this car.
like the blue and red match really like good.
Look at that.
Should we do a paint job on this one right now?
Yeah. Okay. What color?
Oh, and this is the one we bought earlier. Yeah, amazing. Fire.
What color do you think I should do it?
Fluorescent.
Okay.
Either fluorescent or either like polar that word.
Can't even read. Ooh, I like that.
I think it was pretty gay with the red.
I think everything's gay.
Shut up.
You know what that means?
Gay? Yeah, I mean, I don't like it.
Okay. Yes.
All those are gay. Let's go this one.
Wait, yeah, I like that one almost.
Almost. You don't like it. It's almost. We gotta do these ones. We gotta make
Hang on. Yeah, white. Make it white.